Definitely this one.
The pick of the litter.
She always said that.
Well, just a minute now. We were thinking of keeping that one.
He always said that, too.
Hey, how much?
And so I had my first glimpse at the rest of my life. I like my new home. It only lacked for grass, but I figured I could make do.
Enzo, no. Don, I gotta call you back.
Okay, bud. Fire away.
Denny seemed unusually interested in my bathroom habits.
Go on. Go ahead.
Oh, of course you did.